Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about top 5
best dash cam under $100.
Starting at number 5.
Vantrue N5. The Vantrue N5 offers the most complete coverage of any dash cam system we've ever seen. It comes with 4 channels including a front, rear, and dual cabin cameras, one in the front facing aft and another in the rear facing forwards. All of these cameras allow you to see not only what is happening outside your vehicle, but also within it, and they even catch some blind spots that front/rear view cameras might miss. The N5 offers much more than just thorough coverage. It comes with watermarked GPS on board and excellent capture quality. The front cameras is capable of 1440p with superb night captures as well. You can also control the system via voice control, and it offers great connectivity features as well. Overall, there is no other dash cam on the market that does a better job of capturing events in and around your car.
Coming at number 4.
VIOFO A229 Plus. A dash cam is all about monitoring and recording your surroundings, and for that it's hard to beat a 3-channel system. Combining front view, interior view, and rear view, a 3-channel dash cam makes sure nothing is missed. The VIOFO A229 Plus is our pick for best 3-channel system due to strong 1440p front and rear captures, 1080p interior captures, and a whole host of great additional features. Not only do the front and rear view cameras offer solid resolutions, but the interior cam is discreet and all are easy to install. The VIOFO A229 Plus also comes with an onboard mic for recording audio or receiving voice commands, an extremely convenient feature while driving. The A229 comes with GPS tagging, motion detection, and a parking mode as well. Needless to say, it's chock full of amenities and features. A 3-channel dash cam might not be for everyone, but if you need one, the VIOFO A229 should be at the top of your list.
At number 3.
Nextbase 622 GW front. Prior to our review of the Cobra SC400D above, the 622 GW front/rear system was our hands-down favorite. And, really, it shares virtually all the same attributes as its rival: nice design and build quality, excellent day and night captures, drive mapping, a wonderful 3-inch display, emergency response to accidents, Alexa support, and the ability to add a third camera for interior views. Like the 400D, it carries a premium price tag. But in the end, you can't go wrong with either model.
Number 2 of my list.
Cobra Smart Dash. Our review of the Cobra SC400D left us smitten. It's pricey, yes, but it delivers the goods with stunning images, 4K for the front, 1080p in the rear, day or night. In addition to that, it has all the trappings of a premium product: a sturdy magnetic mount with integrated GPS, a crisp 3-inch touchscreen display, and Alexa support for finding businesses and the like when you are on the road. It can also be expanded with an optional 120-degree FOV cam for the interior.
And number 1.
70 My New Dash. The market today is now saturated with 4K front/1080p rear camera setups, but the 70 My 4K A810 stands out from the rest. It's absolutely loaded with great features such as onboard GPS, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth for phone connectivity. The 3-inch IPS display provides a colorful and crisp image, and it can be powered either via USB Type-A or Type-C cables. It also gives you advanced features like lane departure and forward collision warnings. All of that plus the A810 captures crystal clear 4K images with the front camera and 1080p with the rear camera. Most other competitors don't offer nearly the same features or image quality for the price either. For these reasons, the 70 My 4K A810 is an absolute mid-range bargain among dual-channel dash cams.
Check out this video description for latest price and more informations. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and stay tuned.